Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Hire Buddy. Today, I have some great news for all aspiring software engineers and graduates who are looking to start their IT career. Capgemini, one of the world's leading IT and consulting companies, has announced openings for the role of associate software engineer in Bangalore under their engineering and R&D services division. In this video, I'll explain the job details, eligibility, skills required, and what you can expect in this role. All in simple, easy to understand language. So make sure you watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more such updates. Company overview. Let's begin with a quick introduction about Capgemini. Capgemini is a French multinational company known globally for its services in consulting, technology, and digital transformation. It has offices in over 50+ countries, and in India, it operates in cities like Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, Hyderabad, Gurgaon, and Mumbai. Capgemini Engineering is the branch focused on R&D and software product development, helping clients in industries like automotive, aerospace, telecom, manufacturing, and energy. Working here gives you exposure to global projects, advanced technologies, and strong career growth opportunities. Job title and location. Now coming to the job details. Position: Associate Software Engineer. Location: Bangalore, India. Experience level: entry level or freshers can apply. Contract type: permanent. This means it's not an internship or contract role. You'll be a full-time Capgemini employee with all benefits. The job falls under the Engineering and R&D Services Business Unit and the Software Engineering Professional Community. Job role summary. So, what exactly does an associate software engineer do at Capgemini? You'll be working on software development, maintenance, and optimization of various applications. That includes writing and testing code, fixing bugs, supporting deployment, working with databases, collaborating with senior developers and project managers. Basically, you'll be involved in the complete software development life cycle, from understanding requirements to delivering high-quality solutions. This is a great starting point for anyone who wants to build a strong foundation in the IT field. Responsibilities in detail. Let's break down the responsibilities a bit more. Apply scientific methods to solve problems. You'll be expected to use logical and analytical thinking while developing software solutions. Develop and maintain applications. You might work on existing client systems to improve performance, fix bugs, or add new features. Follow software engineering principles. Capgemini focuses a lot on clean code, teamwork, and following proper development processes. Collaborate with the team. You'll be working closely with senior engineers, project leads, and testers to ensure smooth project delivery. Learn and grow. As a fresher, the company expects you to learn continuously both technical and professional skills. Skills required. Now, let's talk about the skills you need for this role. Capgemini expects candidates to have a good foundation in programming concepts like loops, arrays, OOP, functions. Basic knowledge of software design and development principles. Familiarity with languages like Java, Python, or C++. Understanding of databases, SQL, and version control like Git. Problem solving and logical thinking skills. Also, good communication and teamwork abilities are equally important because you'll work with teams across different domains and clients. Who can apply? This is an entry-level role, which means fresh graduates or candidates with up to 1 year of experience can apply. If you have completed your B.Tech M.Tech in any branch like CSE, IT, ECE, mechanical, or related fields, you are eligible. The most important thing is your interest and learning attitude. Capgemini provides extensive training programs to help you get started even if you're a fresher. Work environment and growth. Working at Capgemini means you'll be part of a global, diverse, and innovative team. The company values continuous learning, so you'll get access to multiple internal learning platforms and certifications. After joining, you can explore different career paths. You might grow into roles like software developer, test engineer, DevOps engineer, data analyst, or project lead, depending on your interest. Capgemini focuses on work-life balance, inclusive culture, and employee well-being, which makes it one of the best companies to start your IT journey. Application details. You can find this job posting on Capgemini's official website under the Join Capgemini section or their LinkedIn job portal. Make sure your resume is updated with proper formatting and relevant keywords like Java, SQL, teamwork, debugging, software development, etc. If your resume matches the criteria, you'll receive an email for the next recruitment stages, which usually include online test, aptitude and coding, technical interview, HR interview. Here are a few final tips to increase your chances. Revise your basics of C, Java, or Python. Practice problem solving on platforms like HackerRank or LeetCode. Learn about SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle. It's often asked in interviews. Be confident and communicate clearly during your HR and technical rounds. And most importantly, be patient. Capgemini hires in large batches, so sometimes results take a few weeks. So that's all about the Capgemini Associate Software Engineer 2025 hiring. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more job updates, placement tips, and interview guidance. Also, comment below if you want me to make a video on Capgemini interview questions and preparation strategy. I'll definitely cover that next. Thank you for watching, and best of luck for your Capgemini journey.